Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how I created this Lucifer scene. So first we need to create wings, so the full wings will look like that. So how to do this? First of all, we need to create a simple plane. Now we need to remove almost all vertices and put it here. Now let's model our wings. So I think the wings should look like this, and like this. Now, for example, they should split here. Oh, I'm really sorry for that weird noises, it's my cat. Hello, kitty. So, yeah. And it looked like this. So, is it great looking? Definitely no. However, what we can do now is add modifier and skin. So now it looks like shit. That's right. So now we need to add subdivision surface here, subdivision surface here, and now just A. Now Control A and scale this down. And now we can like scale this up here, scale this down here, scale this down here, scale this up here and here, okay, and here and here and here, not because it's buggy as hell, maybe here, down, down, down. So we've got a basic shape. Great. So now let's create this part. So now let's add a plane, RX90, go to the edit mode, and now we can just push it here, here, and we can just manually, slowly add all those points. Now let's create it here and again here. Is it very interesting? No, but I mean it needs to be done. Great, so now let's add some loop cuts and go here, go here. Maybe I will speed up this process a little bit, or maybe not. I mean, you can just work on your own project now, and I will slowly create the wing. So now we need to add loop cut here, here, and here. Go up here, here, here. All right. Now we need to add subdivision surface, and maybe now move it here even more, and move it here even more too. Great. Now let's select this one, and this part, and move it a little bit this way. So now we've got our wing. Let's save it. So now we need to apply a material here, apply the material here, Or actually, here I will just show you how this material looks. So this material looks like this. So is it simple? Definitely not. But I will just analyze it and tell you like what it's actually doing, because I think it's more important. So here we want, so here we choose the main color of the wing. Maybe I can like put it into the rendered mode. Yeah. So the material looks like this. So it imitates a little bit the skin. So we have, in order to create those pores, I've made just a noise texture, then some color ramps, and actually that's all. So it's a very simple material. And for this part, it is actually almost the same material, just with a little bit different colors. So like now we need to apply the scale everywhere, and come on, let's make it darker. And if I add a sun now, rotate it a little bit. Maybe this way, or actually this way. Yeah, so we need to calibrate the subsurface part. So why it is not working? This one works, and this one not. Is the radius? Oh yeah, I know. I'm just stupid, and I forgot about one thing. That is to add solidify. And add solidify before before subsurf, before subdivision. And now we can see our wings are working. So yeah, we can like create it, make it very subtle. So yeah, I think it looks quite nice. So after creating the materials, let's create a simple rig. So I will duplicate the collection, hide the first one, and now select all of them, convert to mesh in order to apply all the modifiers, and I will join them together. So now what we can do is to create a simple rig. So we need to create a single bone, go to edit mode, click in front, and now we can slowly create the rig. It does not have to be ideal. I'll take it to B-bone. Yeah. Shit, what happened here? Alright. So that should work in theory. So let's try it with automatic weights, and let's try it. Yeah, it works. Great. So now we can pose it. So I'll just create a simple... Oh, come on. Oh yeah, I must do this like that. And like that. And like that. And we've got our main shape done. Yeah, it looks great. So I can disable the in front modifier. And actually here we can add subdivision surface on top of it. Or before, or after, or maybe we should not add it at all. And how does it look now? Oh, yeah, that looks quite well. Actually, it's a very nice effect. So yeah, if I see that wings in the dark, I will be definitely scared. Like, yeah. So yeah. So here we've got the wings, and now we can add the mirror on the x-axis. And move it here. And fuck. I'm really sorry. I mean, we should definitely use mirror, however, and I've done this a little bit. It's just a mirror. Right. So yeah, it's like that. Maybe it's even a little bit too much. Yeah, that would be better. Now mirror modifier. Why it is... Alright, we will do this like another way. Use empty as our mirror. And now it is working. So we've got both of our wings. So now what we can do is to create our character. Now what we can do is to go to mixama.com, find the suited character. I chose Josh. Now go to animations, look for a walk animation, and now find the right one. So I think maybe this one for a devil is not not that great. Maybe not this one. Maybe not this one. And this one looks great. So now we can download it. And after downloading, we have our character. It's not Josh, it's my old character, because I've already done this and with my own model, but actually this model from XML will work just as great. So there are some small modifications done to him, and that is that here we've got the body, and here we've got the eyes. So actually everything you want to change is just the eyes to be red, and the final guy should look like this. So we've got a man that is with the suit and red eyes. So great. Then we have to put him on a dark background with some volumetric lighting. Add the wings, add a simple, make the wings follow him, add a simple opening animation, render, and it's done. So thank you and have a nice day. Peace.